The Trump administration has been ordered to provide daily updates on a man illegally deported to a mega prison in El Salvador.
All this comes after the government's lawyers failed to explain to a federal judge how they would be bringing him back. North America correspondent Lauren Day has the story.
Well, Kilmer Abrego Garcia was deported to El Salvador, to this notorious mega prison last month after what immigration officials now admit was an administrative error. You see, back in 2019, a judge granted him a protection order that should have prevented him from being deported to El Salvador based on a credible fear that he could be persecuted if they did so. They obviously ignored that, and since then Trump administration officials have claimed that they were powerless to bring him back. They've also claimed that Abrego Garcia is a member of a gang, but the judge, Paula Zenas, said that they've provided no information, no evidence to back that up, that those claims are baseless, and his lawyers have said that he's never been charged or convicted of any crime. Now, last night the Supreme Court ordered the government facilitate his return to the United States. Department of Justice lawyers have said they'll comply with that order, but they failed to comply with another order in a lower court demanding that they provide information about what steps they've taken to do so. The judge, Paula Zenas, said that it was extremely troubling that a government lawyer couldn't explain what, if anything, they'd done to try to secure his return or even provide basic details about where he is or what his status is. She's now ordered that they provide daily updates about what they're doing to try to facilitate Abrego Garcia's return to the United States starting from tomorrow. Shortly after she handed down that order, Abrego Garcia's lawyer spoke outside of court. Here's what he had to say.
The government attorney did say that they intend to comply with the order and bring him back. That's the bare minimum. They should have done that already. They've had plenty of time between the Supreme Court's order early yesterday evening and now. He should be here in the United States. It's a 5-hour flight.
Yes.
Now, this is just one of many of these legal battles over the Trump administration's immigration blitz. There was another high-profile court case today, the case of Columbia University student Mahmoud Khalil. Now, in that case, the judge has ruled that the Trump administration can deport him as a national security risk, which could have major implications for hundreds of international students who've been targeted in this immigration blitz that the Trump administration is carrying out. Now, his lawyers are expected to appeal that decision, and a federal court judge has temporarily barred him from being removed from the country. So there's still a lot of detail to play out in that case, but both of these cases have just created a lot of uncertainty and a lot of fear among migrant communities here in the United States that they or someone they know or love could be the next to be targeted.